Some local farmers are concerned they will be unfairly treated by those investing in Jamaica's ganja industry. Speaking at the recent CanEx business conference in Montego Bay, St. James, farmers questioned whether the Cannabis Licensing Authority will implement strategies to protect small farmers. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Funding, the biggest problem for small farmers in the local ganja industry. Some have the land and a plan for the ganja, but the lack of scientific expertise for testing. As a result, some have been searching for partners overseas. While they do that, others remain hesitant. Cannabis expert Montel Williams wants those persons to weigh the pros and cons.
0% of nothing is nothing. So start thinking about what a partnership is worth to you and acknowledge that person for what they bring to the table also.
That may be true, but at least one local farmer says while investor support is critical to development and growth of the sector, the Cannabis Licensing Authority must do more.
Too much people I've seen come back to Canada and talk about, oh, I'm going to get Jamaican ganja for $1. You know how much people have to suffer and bleed and sweat for you to get $1 ganja? You feel good about that? That can't go on anymore. We're not going to allow that.
And with concerns that small farmers may be bullied out of the ganja industry, Vice President of Canadian publication Marijuana Business Daily, Chris Walsh, offered this suggestion to the government.
Create something into the program that benefits small growers. It could be a type of license, so a small tier license that gives them an opportunity to get into this regulated market. If you don't craft that into your regulations, what happens is the big companies eventually dominate everything, and then it becomes like every other industry where there's a couple big players and that's it. The last thing they want to do is put this brand new, potentially thriving industry that could put Jamaica at the center of a brand new sector and put that into the hands of 3 or 4 businesses.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.